The Muted Swamp Strum. This pattern to a lot of my students is a complete mess of a strum, but my absolute favorite ever. It has something swampy to it because of the palm and left hand mutes. This is really a trial and error type of strum, used by people like Sean Mullins and thousands of other songwriters and guitar players. Before we get into this strum, I would like to explain the concept of moving your left hand up and down the strings as we play. For example, if I play an A suspended 2 chord like this, the easiest way to get there is to move your fingers up and down the strings as we go, like so. I start strumming with my left hand off the strings, like this. And then the next strum I put the chord on the fretboard, and we do that alternating with each hit of the right hand, off and on the strings. So slow. This is the basic concept. You can practice. Now we can get to the Muted Swamp Strum. The chords I use in this example are G, D suspended 4, B minor 7 and C with an added 9. I play them like this. A G chord with an added third finger on the third fret of a second string, D suspended 4, a B minor 7 chord like this, and a C at 9 with a third finger on the third fret of the second string and a pinky on the third fret of the first string. When we play this pattern, we're moving up the bass notes of these chords like this. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna play the strum in the right hand with a palm mute, but it's actually more gonna be like an accent you add when you hit the strings, and then you start jamming like this. So you can see I'm muting the strings with my right hand when I'm moving up those bass notes. And then I open up the strum with a down up stroke. So it's up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Up, down, up. So as you can see, I'm releasing the mute on the last down up stroke. The fingers of your left hand are on the strings when I'm playing the last down up strum. Up, down, down, up. Up, down, down, up. Up, down, down, up. Up, down, down, up. That's basically the strum. Check out Lullaby by Sean Mullins. There are a lot of other examples out there. Have fun with it. Play it for a few hundred times until you get it right. And the song is like approximately 100 measures long, so it's really not that much. The more you play it, the more you'll succeed. Just put in the extra mile.